Dear students, in this video, we learn how to find the highest common factor of two or more given numbers. Now, there are three methods to find the highest common factor. First one is factorization method. We already learned how to find the highest common factor by factorization method. In this method, we write the greatest common factor by listing down the factors of the numbers. First, we list down the factors of the given numbers and then look for the highest factor among the listed factors, which are common for both the given numbers. In this video, we learn how to find the highest common factor by prime factorization method. Another one method is division method. Prime factorization is nothing but the process in which a number is expressed as a product of prime factors. For example, if we take the number 24, 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 threes are 24. So, like this, see all these numbers are prime numbers, 2 into 2 into 2 into, like this. If we write the number as a product of prime factors, then it is called prime factorization. Now let us find the highest common factor of these numbers. First sum is 18, 48. First let us find the prime factorization of 18. First let us start from 2, since 2 is the smallest prime number. 9 twos are 18. Then now 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. So 18 is nothing but 2 into 3 into 3. So we can express 18 as the product of prime factors 2 into 3 into 3. Now let us write 48. Let us start from 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 24. 24 into 2 is equal to 48. Now again it's an even number, so we can write 2 here. 1 twos 2, 2 twos are 4. So 12. 12 twos are 24. Again 2, 6 twos are 12. 2, 3 twos are 6. 3 ones. So we can write 48 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So these are the prime factors of 48. So we can write it as the product of prime factors. Now the next step is we should circle the common factors. 2 is common in both and 3 is common in both. Now we can write the HCF as 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now the next question is 30, 42. First, let us write 30. 2. 15 into 2 is equal to 30. 3. 3 5s are 15. 5. 1 is 5. Now, prime factorization of 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 42. Again 2. 21. 21 is not an even number, so we can go for 3. 3 sevens are 21. So 2 into 3 into 7 is the prime factorization of 42. Now let us circle the common factors 2 and 3. So common factors are 2 and 3. HCF is 2 into 3. We should multiply the common factors. We will get the HCF. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now the next question is 18, 60. So let us write 18. So 2 nines are 18, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. So 2 into 3 into 3 is the prime factorization. Now 16, 2 30 and 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15, 5 ones are 5. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So what are the common factors? 2 and 3. So again we get the same answer. 2 into 3 is equal to Next question is 27, 63. 27, so it's not an even number, so we can start from 3. 9 threes are 27, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are. So 3 into 3 into 3 is the prime factorization of 27. Now let us write 63. So we start from 3 because it is not an even number. So 3 twos are 6. So we should write 2 first. Then 1 threes are. So 2, 1. Again 3. 7 threes are 21. 7 ones are. So 3 into 3 into 7 is the prime factorization of 63. Now let us circle the common factors 3 and 3. So let us take the common factors 3 and 3. So HCF is 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Next sum is 36, 84. First let us write 36. Start from 2. 1 2s are 2. Remainder 1, 16. So 8 2s are 16. So 18. 18 into 2 is equal to 36. Now again write 2. 9 2s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is the prime factorization of 36. Now let us find the prime factorization of 84. So start from 2, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 42. Now 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2. So 21 into 2 is equal to 42. 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 is the prime factorization of 84. Now let us circle the common numbers 2, 2 and 3. So 2 2s and 3 are the common factors. So HCF is 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 4 3s are 12. Next question is 34, 102. 34, 102. So here when we factorize 34 we get 2 into 17 and 102 we get 2 into 17 into 3. So common factors are 2 and 17. So HCF is 2 into 17 equal to 34. Next question is 70, 105, 175. Let us write 70 first. 2 3s are 6, remainder 1, 10. So 5 2s are 10. So 3, 5. 35 into 2 is equal to 70. Now write 5. 7 5s are 35. 7 into 1. So 2 into 5 into 7 equal to 70. Now let us write 105. Let's start from 3. 3 3s are 9. Remainder 1. So 15. 5 3s are. So 35 into 5 is equal to 105. 5 sevens are 35, 7 ones are 7. Now let us write 175. So let's start from 5, 3 5s are 50, then 5 5s are 25. So we get 3 5s are 15, remainder 2, 25. So 5 5s are 25. So 5 into 7 equal to 35, 7 ones are 7. So what is the prime factorization of 175? 5 into 5 into 7. Now let us circle the common factors. 5 and 7 is common in all three. So HCF is 5 into 7 equal to 35. Next question is 91, 112, 49. So find the prime factorization of 91, 112 and 49. 7 is the common factor. So HCF is 7. Next question is 18, 54, 81. 18, 2 into 9 equal to 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So 2 into 3 into 3. 54. First write 2. 2 2s are 4. 7 2s are 14. So 27 into 2 is equal to 54. 3. 9 3s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are. Now 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 54. Now let us write 81. So let's start from 3. 27. 23 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. So prime factorization of 81 equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now let's circle the common factors 3 and 3. So 3 3s are 9 is the highest common factor of 18, 54 and 81. Next question is 12, 45, 75. So first let us write 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 45. 3 15s are 45. 3 5s are 15. So 3 into 3 into 5. 75. 5 1 5s are 5. 25. So 5 5s are 25. Now 3 5s are 15. So 5 into 3 into 5. So the common factor is 3. So HCF is also 3. Next question is, what is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? Let us take two numbers 5 and 6. Consecutive numbers 5 and 6. Common factor of 5 and 6 is 1. So HCF is 1. So HCF of two consecutive numbers is 1. So if you take any two consecutive numbers, you will get the HCF as 1. The next one is, what is the HCF of two consecutive even numbers? Let us take one example. 8 and 10 are two consecutive even numbers. 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 and 10 equal to 2 into 5. So is there any common factor? Yes, 2 is the common factor. So HCF of two consecutive even numbers is 2. Last one, what is the HCF of two consecutive odd numbers? Let us take one more example, 25 and 27. 25 is equal to 5 into 5, 27 equal to 3 into 3 into 3. Is there any common factor? No. So, HCF of two consecutive odd numbers is always 1. Last question is, HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. 4 equal to 2 into 2 and 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct HCF? So what's your answer? No, the answer is not correct because 0 cannot be factor of any number. So if there is no common factor means 1 is the common factor. So dear students, hope you understood how to find the HCF of given numbers by prime factorization method. Happy learning. Thank you.